Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your pollen filter on this NV200 Nissan. It's a fully electric vehicle. As you can see, the pollen filter is located in the glove box somewhere, so we're just going to have to remove this glove box to gain access to it. As you can see, there's two bolts there that I need to take off. So far there should be a few more around it. So we're going to go ahead and remove these two Phillips screws. Also, there's a screws you can see in the cup holder. It needs to be removed. That's a Phillips screw. Okay, now all those screws have been removed. What you need to do is literally just pull onto it. It's got really tight clips, as you can see. Just trying to show you. There's one down there. There's quite a few of them. You just got to literally pull it or get a trim tool. Just go behind it and pop it out. As you can see, all the clips I was talking about, that slots in. Literally just pull this out of the way as well, this little seal. Also just disconnect this, just unclip this and take that out of the way. That's for the passenger airbag. As you can see, that's it. And then you're just gonna unplug it. As you can see, let's give you a close up. If you look in there, see there's a little pin there, right there. You just gotta push that down to pop it out. Now that's out of the way. As you can see, I've disconnected it. As you can see where it's located is literally just right in there, right into where the eater box is. As you can see the fans there, literally in here. You literally just got to open these clips, just pull them down, push that one up. You can see if you squeeze them, actually they should just, if you squeeze them, they should just come off like so. As you can see. And just pull that out. And then what you need to do is you need to take the filter out of here, and you just need to put the new one inside of there. As you can see, this is the new one. So you literally got to slot that one in there perfectly. Just make sure it lines up. As you can see, you need to make sure that the arrow is facing upwards. So when you put it in, it's facing upwards like that. And just find it on this one. As you can see, the arrows there, so literally going to be facing upwards. Going to go ahead and fit that now. Just going to fit it just to show you. As you can see, just make sure it's facing up position. As you can see, there's little gaps, like little bits there that sits underneath. So literally just going to slide it underneath like so. And then slide it underneath the offside. As you can see, it's fit perfectly. Then now we're going to go and just slot it back in, like so. And then just going to put that clip back on. As you can see, make sure it clicks back in place. As you can see, there's all the clips on there that you need to just slot back in place. But we're going to fit this last, if you see what I mean. We just need to run it through that gap there, and then plug that on, and then plug that one back on. As you can see, that's all back on now. This is what I'm talking about. You make sure this wire is just hanging out. And then what you can do is, you will literally just want to slot that back in there. And then you can push the whole thing in. There we go. That's it now. And all you have to do is literally just line it up the right way around. And as you can see, it just slots in. Easy peasy. Piece of cake. I'll say that. You need to put the bottom bit in first. This is my first time doing this. So you put the bottom bit in first and the whole thing goes in. There we go, sweet as. Put that back in. Like so. Put it behind this little, you've got to pull this little plastic trim out of it as well. And put that in and slot that back on. Like so. What we're going to do is put those two screws back in and the one there, but first of all, we need to put the cup holder back in place. Make sure it's lining up the way it should be, like so. Now, get our screw. Let's go ahead and tighten that. Now we're going to do the same to these two. Just hand tighten them first. See, and that's it. Thank you, and thank you for watching Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content. Stay blessed and keep on rolling.